So today I'm going to be fixing up this Generation 3 My Little Pony. This is Party Cake. She was released in 2007. She was a part of the Best Friends line, and clearly she had an amazing party because she got some dirt on her hooves. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and some acetone and just wipe that off. And every time we use acetone to wipe off extra paint, be sure you wipe off with a towel too. And since she is a secondhand pony, she's going to be getting a dawn bath because we do not know where she has been, who has had her, what she has been through. So we're just going to keep wiping her down, her hair. I'd be sure to get like in the mouth and the ears, just where a lot of dirt collects on ponies. Then we're just going to rinse her off with some warm water. And you see how all the tangles are in the hair? Yeah, so we're gonna have to do something about that. We're going to be taking some conditioners to add in some moisture, and of course I always add in too much because I forget just how runny this conditioner is. So we're just going to keep working that in, and once we get the hair really saturated, we're going to start combing the hair with a doll brush, starting at the tips, then working our way to the base of like the doll's little hair plugs. Once I've combed through with the doll brush, I'll take a fine-tooth comb just so I can make sure I got out any extra little knots. And any extra long bits of hair, I'm just going to just snip them off because they're clearly not needed. And now that her hair is silky smooth, we're just going to let her sit with the conditioner for about 5 minutes, just so the conditioner can work its magic. So while I wash out her hair, let's get a little bit of information about Party Cake. She was released in 2007. She was a part of the Best Friends assortment. She originally retailed for $4.99. Now Party Cake was born in November. Her favorite color is baby blue. Her favorite flowers are frosting flowers. And her favorite thing to do is to break open piñatas. And she originally had a vanilla scent. So now that her hair is freshly clean and washed, let's add in some straws to give her back some curls. This is just the basic style I do on all of my G3 ponies. I'm just going to pour over some hot water. You see, I almost thought she was going to fall down the drain here for a minute. And just for some extra tightness in those curls, I'm going to pop her into the freezer for a little bit. Once the hair is fully dry, I take out the curls, add in a little bit of curl cream, and look at how her hair looked. It is so gorgeous. Like that little curl on the side holding up like Rarity's hairstyle. She is so gorgeous.